What's up? If creating a YouTube channel rings a bell in you, watch throughout the video to know how it is done. Let's proceed. From the YouTube website dashboard, if you don't have an account yet, it will appear similar to this one, in which we need to sign in. Let's proceed. For this tutorial, I'll be using another account. There is two options in which we can select. One is using an existing Gmail account, or we can create a new account. We'll select create account. On this one, there are three choices. One is for myself, in which individual access. Then a new YouTube feature in which parents or guardians can create an account for their child. And the last one is to manage my business. Advantage for this one is it can be accessed by multiple individuals depending on the settings. So we'll try to select the third one, to manage my business. Next is we need to input our personal information. So if you want to create a separate or different Gmail account, we can create a new one. So we'll just click create a new Gmail address. From here, we need to input a desired Gmail username. Then we need to input the corresponding security password. Then we just need to match it. Next is we need to input our contact details for added security. And click next. Then it will require a 6-digit Google PIN that will be sent to our mobile number. So we just need to input and click verify. There's an optional recovery email address which we can include if ever we forget to access or we forget our password. And we need to input also some additional information. Then proceed to click next. This is additional features which we can skip. Then there will be the privacy and terms which we can just go through it. Once you finish, just click I agree. Now we've created a Google account in which we can use in order to create a YouTube account. So now we can click continue. If we will go back to the YouTube dashboard, it will be automatically signed in. We can now proceed on the second part in which we will be creating the YouTube channel. Just click the YouTube icon, then select create a channel. Create channel you agree to YouTube terms of service. So let's proceed. Click create channel. Your channel is being created. Check back in a few moments. After a few minutes, just check the YouTube icon. From here, it will show your channel. So click it. There will be dashboard, home, videos, playlist, channels, about, in which we can start customizing. So in the next tutorial, guys, I'll be showing you how to create a logo and upload to our YouTube channel. So that's it for this tutorial. Hope you get some information from this one, and if you make it all the way to the end of the video and find good value on it, please show some love and give a like. And if you are not subscribed yet, click that subscribe button. Once again, this is Insighta, reminding you always to find some time, invest, create, and get motivated.